are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight.
Alright everyone, let's go ahead and get right into our tutorial. So what you will need for this project, one fabric that measures 16.5 centimeters by 28 centimeters. You're going to need some more fabric that measures 16.5 centimeters by 21.5 centimeters. And then you're going to need another piece of fabric that measures 9 centimeters by 5 centimeters. This is going to be the closure. This is going to be for the pockets, and this is going to be for the outer and inner fabric. This is how it's going to look, and you're going to need some inner facing. So you can use your inner facing, and you're going to fuse that on there as an iron it on there. You need 2 inner facing. For your 2 outer fabric, you're going to need inner facing for that, and I've already put mine on there. And for the closure, you're going to need to put inner facing the outer fabric. So you're going to get your outer fabric, and then you're going to get your lining, and then you're going to put that together, right side touching each other, and go ahead and pin that in place. And for the outside pocket, we're going to fold this in half, okay? And then you can iron this down if you want. Then you're going to go to your machine, and then you're going to sew all the way around on the closure. And then for the pocket, you're going to just sew at the top here. Once you finish sewing, it should now look like that. Cut the corners. I'm gonna turn this inside out. If you want, you can iron this out. You're gonna go to the machine once again, and we're gonna sew all the way around one more time. Put that aside, we're gonna do that. And then the next step after that, you're gonna get one of your outer base. You're gonna take your pocket, and then you're gonna place the pocket on top of that. Pin these down. We have to mark it so we can put our buttons on there. Okay? And so we're gonna fold this in half so we can get the center. And then we're gonna mark about 1.5 centimeters down. We're gonna put our buttons on there and stay in the center of that line. Then we're gonna put our holes right through there. Should have your button in place. If you have a tag that you want to put on there, now is a good time to put it on. So I'm gonna put my tag on there. I'll pin that in place. We're gonna go to the machine, and we're gonna sew all the way around here. Then sew all the way, coming from the top here, going down, straight across, and then going up. You should now have your pocket sewn in place, which your tag and your closure should be all the way around. We're going to get our other outside fabric. We are going to be putting our closure on the outer fabric. So let's go ahead and fold that in half. These would be fun to make for gifts. Fold this in half as well. Okay. Then we're going to take right side, and we're going to place that facing on top of the other outer fabric. We're going to lay that in the center, pin that in place, sew to the top. I'm going to lock that in place. Now you should have that sewn on there. Let's go ahead and put this together. So we're going to put these two right side facing each other, and we're going to pin this in place. That aside, let's go ahead and get our lining, which is our inner fabric, and we're gonna place these right side together. These two are gonna sit like that. Go ahead and mark the bottom. We're gonna have to mark an open space. Bottom part, just go ahead and mark about 8 centimeters gap. You're gonna pin that in place as well. So we're gonna go to our machine, and for this one here, we're gonna sew all the way down, cross, and then up for the outside base. And then for the lining, for the inside, we're gonna sew all the way down here, and then come across, and then we're gonna stop at that line. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. We're gonna sew all the way down here, come across, and then we're gonna stop at those 2 lines right there. You should have both of them sewn, and then a little gap in the lining. Let's go ahead and clip those corners. Turn this inside out. You can take that to the iron and just iron that out. Take this, all right, and we're gonna place this inside of the lining. All right, make sure everything is tucked in there, even the closure. And we're gonna line the corners them up, touching together. All right, these 2. Pin that in place. And do the same thing for the other side as well. Then you're gonna sew all the way around. So it should now be sewn all the way around. We're gonna turn this inside out once again. So that gap right there. Now have the gap locked in there and sewn. Let's tuck this in. Then you're gonna sew all the way around this. Now have this sewn. Next step is we're gonna put our buttons and then the finish. So let's go ahead and fold this in half. Know where our center's at. From the top, we're gonna measure about 2 centimeters down and make sure it's center. Everything is lined up. And then you go ahead and just put your hole through. Then you put your buttons on there. I target this specifically for my journals, and I like to carry them around at times, and this is one of them that I made. And I put some pens with a little book, and then I have my journal in there as well. You're gonna have a larger size, so the beautiful thing about this, you can increase the sizes of these. And I put my bigger journals in there. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.